So, punta na tayo sa problem number 2. In triangle ABC, side BC is 40, side AB is 50 meters, and angle A is 53 degrees. A, determine the area of the triangle, and B, determine the perimeter of the triangle. So, first, let's draw it. So, we have a triangle here. Name this angle A, this angle B, and this angle C. So, sabi sa problem, BC daw ay 40 meters, and AB daw ay 50 meters. And yung angle A daw ay 53 degrees. Ang pinapahanap is triangle. So, for this problem, itatry kong isolve lahat ng missing. Pero, in your case, solve it as fast as you can. Hindi nyo kailangang sundan yung way ko ng pag-solve dito kasi mas matatagalan kayo. Lalo na kung exam yan. Try to solve more sample problems para masanay yung utak nyo na, ganito pala yung gagawin. Ganito na yung gagawin. May given na ako nito, makukuha ko na yung area. May given na ako nito, makukuha na yung perimeter. Ganon. Sige, let's start. So, through the given, alam na natin na isa siyang general triangle. Tama? And sa general triangle, meron lang tayong dalawang way para ma-solve, which is yung sine law and cosine law. So, in this case, I'll use sine law. You can use cosine law if you can or if you want to. And comment down below if we'll get the same answer. Sige, sine law tayo. 40, opposite angle is 53, 50, and we'll get the opposite angle, which is the angle C. Pwede nyo siyang i-shift calc or shift solve na lang, pero dito, naka-enumerate pa siya by equation. Pwede nyo ring sundan to or i-type sa calculator. Check nyo kung parehas yung lalabas, which is 86.653 degrees. That's for angle C. Since we already have two given angles, we'll solve the angle B through subtracting it to 180. Kasi nga, di ba, if we add the three angles of a triangle, we'll get 180 degrees. So, this angle is 40.347 degrees. Since we have that, we'll get the side AC. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na hindi nyo kailangang sundan. Kasi, kung area rin lang ng triangle ang tinatanong, pwede ka na mag 1/2 AB sin theta dito eh. Kasi may given ka na side BC, may given ka na side BA, nakuha mo na yung angle B. Meron ka na included angle, meron ka ng dalawang side. Pwede mo na makuha yung A. Pero ang ginawa ko sa calculation ko, kinuha ko muna yung side AC. Diba? That's what I meant earlier na kailangan mong mag-solve ng as much sample problems as you can para malaman mo kung ano yung way, kung ano yung proper solution para makuha mo yung sagot ng mas mabilis. Enough that, let's solve for side AC through sine law ulit. And we'll get 32.426. So now, I'll move to getting yung area ng triangle. And ito yung ginamit ko, side AC and side AB. Through the use of 1/2 AB, sine of theta pa rin na. And I'll get 647.414 square meters. So that's the answer for the area of a triangle. And then for perimeter naman for problem B, since I already have side BC and side AB as stated on the problem, and nakuha ko na rin yung side AC through sine law, pag-adding ko na lang yan kasi nga, di ba, ang perimeter ay total length lang ng sides ng triangle. So, we'll have 122.426 meters. So, that's the answer for problem 2B. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and feel free to comment down below other mathematical topics that you want me to discuss. So, yun lang. Again, thank you for watching.